How do you feel about this dominant position?
It's very different. I'm a very submissive person.
Really?
In the sheets.
This is Kiss and Tell with Javi Mack. I'm here with.
I'm Samantha Reigns.
Okay, so Samantha Reigns, I have you behind me, over top, looking down. How do you feel about this dominant position?
It's very different. I'm a very submissive person.
Oh, really? So you've never dominated a guy before?
I mean, I've a guy before.
Oh, what? I mean, that's like the definition of dominant. How was the pegging experience for you?
It was different. It's not my preferred position of authority.
What's your favorite position?
I just like to be on the bottom. Like, I want you dominating over me, tying me up, choking me a little bit.
You know what? I haven't done a lot of tying up. What's the best way that you like to be tied up?
I've done it in 2 different ways, and both are very interesting. So I've been tied up like where I'm face up, lying down on the bed, all my legs and arms spread so I can't like move. Or I've also been tied to a chair, facing the back of the chair, and blindfolded. It makes it very, very interesting.
I kind of want to see these. This is great. Thank you so much for the interview. This is Kiss and Tell with Javi Mack. Thanks for watching. Javi!